Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Montgomery County and central Maryland, southeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, north central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Middleburg, Oregon, 8 miles west of Brambleton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Reston, Leesburg, Herndon, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Lowe's Island, Brambleton, Poolsville, Ashburn, Sterling, Great Falls, Countryside, Middleburg, Oatlands, Belmont, Gleadsville, Aldie, Sterling Park, and Philemont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.